So this is a project that's taking place in Alaska's remote communities located on rivers. The people in these communities rely on rivers for transportation in summer and in winter, but in summer the rivers are open water, in the winter they're frozen. With the changing climate, the times when the rivers are freezing up are changing, and we're struggling to keep up with understanding these changes. So there's a collaborative effort between UAF scientists and schools across rural Alaska to observe river conditions, so ice conditions, but water conditions, and to share those data across the state with each other and with UAF scientists. This is mostly done through photography, so people take pictures and they record their time of day and post them on social media and send them in. The team have also sent out drones to help take observations. And at the start of this project, they were finding that the drones they were sending out were staying in the boxes. School teachers were intimidated by this $3,000 piece of equipment that they didn't want to break. And so they didn't want to use them, and they certainly didn't want the students using them. So to encourage the use of drones, we came up with this program, Drones on Ice, instead of Fresh Eyes on Ice. What we're using is very cheap drones that you can purchase on Amazon for $33 to bring into a class full of kids. Each kid gets their drone to build, figure out the aerodynamics, practice flying in the gym, and what we're doing is training up through ground school and flight school the next generation of drone pilots so that they can then take the real drones and make river ice measurements that are shared across the state and with the National Weather Service.